whispers from the sands of time. The Sumerian civilization, a cradle of knowledge, a time of powerful gods. These gods, the Anunnaki, descended from heaven to earth. Their tales, etched in clay tablets, speak of creation, of knowledge, of power beyond human comprehension. They tell the story of our beginnings. The Anunnaki, according to Sumerian texts, were not just deities, they were advanced beings. They possessed technology and wisdom far surpassing our own. Their influence on early humanity was profound, shaping our myths, our cultures, and perhaps even our very existence. Could these ancient stories hold more than just myth? Could they be echoes of actual events, distorted and shrouded by millennia? Modern science has made remarkable strides in deciphering the human genome, revealing secrets of our past. Could it be that some of these secrets point back to the ancient gods and their role in our creation? The Adamic Project, a blueprint in clay, the creation of Adam, a pivotal moment in human history, a story told and retold. But what if this story, passed down through generations, holds a deeper, more scientific truth? What if Adam was not merely sculpted from clay, but bioengineered, a product of advanced genetic manipulation? The biblical account describes Adam as being made in the image of God. The Sumerian texts describe the Anunnaki creating humans through a process involving clay and divine essence. Could these be two versions of the same event, one told through the lens of myth, the other through the lens of ancient science? The Anunnaki, with their advanced technology, might have possessed the knowledge to manipulate the very building blocks of life. Could Adam have been the result of their experimentation, a prototype of a new kind of being? Echoes of creation, from Sumerian clay to human genome. Fast forward to the 21st century. The Human Genome Project, a scientific marvel, unravels the secrets of our DNA. This genetic blueprint reveals our evolutionary history, our ancestry, our vulnerabilities. Yet it also reveals intriguing anomalies. Scientists have discovered that the human genome contains over 200 genes that seem to have no evolutionary predecessors. These genes, some researchers speculate, appear to have been inserted into our DNA as if by design. Could this be evidence of the Anunnaki's handiwork, a genetic signature left behind by our creators? The idea of ancient genetic engineering may seem far-fetched. However, the rapid pace of modern genetic research suggests that such technology might have been within reach of an advanced civilization in the distant past. Today, scientists manipulate genes with CRISPR technology. They edit DNA, correct defects, and even explore the creation of new life forms. These advancements, once the stuff of science fiction, are now a reality. If we, with our relatively young science, can achieve such feats, what might have been possible for a civilization thousands of years ahead of us? The Anunnaki, with their advanced knowledge, might have possessed genetic tools beyond our current imagination. The gap between ancient myth and modern science might not be as wide as we think. Perhaps the ancients, in their own way, were trying to explain the unexplainable, using the language of myth and metaphor to describe scientific realities they did not yet have the words for. The Garden of Eden, a paradise lost, a place of knowledge and temptation. But could this biblical garden have been something more than a metaphorical setting? Could it have been a real place, a bioengineering laboratory where the Anunnaki conducted their genetic experiments? The biblical story tells of forbidden fruit, a serpent offering knowledge, and the expulsion of Adam and Eve from paradise. Could these be allegorical representations of genetic manipulation, the acquisition of forbidden knowledge, and the consequences of tampering with the natural order? Was the creation of humanity a carefully orchestrated event, a grand experiment by the Anunnaki to create a species in their image? And if so, what was their purpose? Did they intend for us to be their servants, their companions, or something else entirely? The evidence, though circumstantial, is compelling. Ancient myths speak of gods who created humanity. Modern science reveals anomalies in our DNA that defy conventional explanation. Could these be pieces of the same puzzle, pointing to a time when humans and extraterrestrial beings walked the earth together? If the Anunnaki did indeed play a role in our creation, what does that mean for us? Does it change our understanding of ourselves, our place in the cosmos, our destiny? Are we bound by the designs of our creators, or are we free to forge our own path? These are not just questions for scientists and theologians. They are questions for all of humanity. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our past, we may find that our future is inextricably linked to the ancient gods who, according to the whispers of time, gave us life. The quest to understand our origins is a journey into the unknown. It is a journey that takes us from the dusty archives of ancient civilizations to the cutting edge of modern science. It is a journey that challenges our assumptions and forces us to confront the possibility that we are not alone. The Anunnaki, whether myth or reality, serve as a reminder that our history is full of mysteries yet to be unraveled. They remind us that we are part of a vast and ancient cosmos, and that our place in this grand scheme of things is still being written. As we stand on the cusp of new discoveries, we must be prepared to embrace the unknown, to question our assumptions, and to rewrite our understanding of history in light of new evidence. For in the words of the ancient Sumerian proverb, the secrets of the universe are hidden in plain sight, waiting for those with eyes to see.